Wondering if there's any possible way to enjoy fast food in a relatively healthy manner?
Yes.
Welcome to Talking with Docs. I'm Dr. Brad Weeding.
I'm Dr. Paul Zalz. I'll finally.
Is this your favorite video in 8 years?
God. Uber Eats, get me a Big Mac right now. Talking with Docs is finally doing fun stuff.
Okay, so we're going to do the top 10 ways for you to increase the chances that your fast food is slightly better for you, or maybe less bad for you.
Okay, so we're not advocating
No.
fast food, but we're saying if you're in a situation like you're going on a road trip and you got to get some food, you're working late and you have to get some food, someone's got a gun to your head and said, if you don't eat fast food, I'm gonna shoot you.
That would be a weird scenario.
Can happen.
Okay.
All right. Then these are some guidelines you can use when you're picking your fast food.
Okay.
How about that? 2 doctors telling you how to eat fast food.
How to eat fast food very carefully and hopefully infrequently, but
You'll only see that on Talking with Docs.
there you go. Number 1. I think this is low-hanging fruit. So try to avoid like the fried stuff. So consider things like grilled meats or baked meats.
Yeah, choose the grilled stuff, choose the baked stuff, don't choose the deep fried stuff. Is low-hanging fruit really the good fruit? I mean, I would avoid the low-hanging fruit.
No, I think this is easy to get.
Yeah, I don't know if it's as good as the higher stuff.
Maybe not.
Okay, watch the sides. Why don't you pick some healthy sides, okay? Maybe don't go for the fries on the side. If you got a choice, take the salad on the side or the fresh fruit on the side or something, okay?
I think what happens though is that when people go out to eat or go on fast food, they're like, you know what? I don't do this very much. I'm getting the fries. I have salad at home all the time. You know how hard it is to make good fries at home?
I'm telling you, you're treating yourself by going to the fast food. Just pick the healthy sides.
Okay.
Don't be so difficult.
Okay, number 3, this is also a very common one, not just at fast food, but just in your life. Be really careful with the beverages. These are calorically dense, often full of added sugar, and even the ones that aren't full of added sugar, they're full of added artificial sweeteners that the more that we learn, this is really bad for our gut microbiome. So consider what other kind of things then.
You have water, you have sparkling water, unsweetened iced tea, that kind of stuff. But you know what, the pop on the side is one of my favorite things. That's going to be a tough one for me.
You mind if I have some of your tasty beverage to wash this down? Go right ahead.
Sweet tea like in the South.
Yeah, but,
Tea is like,
but
it's
if you
really
buy iced tea in the USA, it's unsweetened.
Yeah, it's like cold
Our
tea.
iced tea is actually sweetened.
So sugary.
It's probably healthier in the
Okay,
States.
number 4.
Number 4 is take it easy on the sauces and the dressings. Okay, you can make some healthy choices here.
Take it easy on this.
I'm just saying. Like if you went for like a mayo, that's really caloric dense, a lot of fat. Or if you went for like a vinaigrette, you're gonna end up with a little bit less calories.
Like even ketchup has like tons of added sugar, like 30 cal for like a couple tablespoons or something. And I think the other thing is it's sneaky. You don't even know. If you ever measured out a tablespoon of ketchup, you're like, where's my ketchup?
Yeah. That'll get you. The sauces will get you.
They were. Number 5 is if there is a bread component to your fast food, try to find a whole grain option, which is actually pretty hard to do, but try to make the healthy bread choice.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. And a lot of places do.
Yeah.
Now, portion size, okay? You're not gonna supersize yourself on this, all right? Stick with a decent
I think is that illegal now? I think supersize it was taken away. I think
because
it was. I think so. I think they're like, this is just a bad idea.
Yeah, it's a bad idea.
Yeah.
Right. If you got the small, medium, or large, let's stick to the medium, maybe small. You don't have to get the large. Okay, so portion size.
Extra
if
big
you're
bowl.
eating fast food,
Yeah.
it's like dose control.
Yeah,
right?
like sharing your fries. To be honest,
about
I don't really want to share my fries. I really like the fries.
I like the fries too.
I don't want to share
Remember
the
that Saturday Night Live skit with Farley?
It's a good one. Give me those fries.
Give me the fries.
Okay, number 7 is sodium. Watch out for added sodium. We've done videos about this, and regardless of what people think, extra salt is bad for you, not only for your blood pressure, but it negatively affects the inside of our blood vessels. So watch out for added salt, very sneaky, and you can easily meet your daily requirements in one fast food meal.
By all means, don't add salt to your fast food. It's already got enough salt in it. And then on the same topic as salt is the processed meats, okay? Because they are very high in sodium. If you can avoid the processed meats, if you're ordering a pizza and you're making choices to put on things on your pizza, processed meats seem to go hand in hand with that. Try and avoid that.
The salt, the processed, the nitrates, and you could even argue some of the processed, like plant-based meats, you got to be a little bit careful because despite just being plants, they're pretty processed. You have to look at the ingredients and make a thoughtful choice.
True, those plant-based patties are processed.
Yeah, sure they are. To varying degrees. Number 9 is watch out like those add-ons thing. You get a burger, and you're like, okay, my burger's not bad. And then also like, I'll have the cheese and I'll have the bacon.
It's in the name, processed cheese in a lot of those. It says it's telling you.
Or like you order the sweet potato, or you order like a baked potato, and then you put like sour cream and bacon and all the rest of it. So care for the add-ons. Those calories can sneak up really quickly, and a lot of times it's not super healthy stuff unless it's an herb
Keep Him Alive Clive, my internal medicine
Dr.
prof,
Davis.
he used to say, the salad's not the bad thing. It's what people put on top of the salad that's the bad thing.
Okay, and the last one, take-home message.
Plan ahead a little bit if you can, okay? Get to know your fast food restaurants. Do a little research and see which ones are healthier, which ones offer healthier options, and which ones don't. And within those menus in that fast food restaurant, I did this the other day. I was at Subway and I looked at the different sauces.
Yeah.
And I was like, am I going to get mayo on the veggie sub or am I going to get the sweet onion teriyaki? And the calorie difference was massive.
Oh, yeah.
So do a little research into the fast food restaurant that you're going to go to know what the healthier choice is.
Because if you don't, you're going to make an emotional decision and you're going to...
So we're not advocating fast food. We're
No.
just saying if your car is out of control and you have two choices, drive off a cliff or drive through the fast food lane at a fast food restaurant, you choose the fast food lane to save you and your family. These are some things you might want to order or things you can consider.
And I would request that you share a comment about A, your strategies to deal with fast food, and B, what's your guilty pleasure? What's the thing you're like, I don't even care how bad it is for me, I'm just getting it because it makes me happy. I think fries probably. I haven't had them in a while, but and not brand awareness, but McDonald's French fries, I think you can't beat them.
Yeah. I'd probably say a Big Mac if I had to choose my
there you go. We're
guilty
both
pleasure.
McDonald's people.
Right?
I think it's the salt. I think
They're
it's
everywhere.
the salt delivery system for me.
Fast food is ubiquitous. It's all around
It
us.
is.
I drove home from the gym yesterday. 7 fast food restaurants I
counted.
passed by.
Interesting.
7.
Wow.
I did count them. So you were going to talk about this today.
Yeah.
And so it's there. You're going to use fast food. We know it. We're just telling you how to maybe approach it in a slightly healthier way.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
And remember, you are in charge of your own health. And of course, minimize the amount of fat. If it's part of your regular diet routine every day, don't do that anymore. Okay? It's a treat. It's something special. Treat it that way.
Now you know. We'll see you next time.